It all started when I was a kid. We used to chase foul balls at the ballpark. And one evening, I was on my bike chasing the foul ball, and I ran into a guide wire from the power pole. And it just really put damage on my teeth. Eventually, I had veneers put on, which they also, after 15 years, wore out and failed, and my teeth began to decay until they became loose and fell out. Being an electrical contractor, every day I talked to customers. It became embarrassing because a lot of my customers were looking at my teeth. I knew it would turn them off. It did affect my business to a certain extent. I would try to hide my teeth. I would stand on the good side, but I knew it wasn't working. When it came to eating, when my teeth were loose and decayed, I wouldn't even go to lunch with my coworkers. I would actually go by myself in my truck. I would go through the drive-through. I wouldn't even go inside and eat, and I would eat my lunch in my truck by myself. It was so embarrassing. I just wasn't going to let anybody do this procedure. I wanted some experience. I wanted to have everything done in one location, and my decision was to come see Dr. Das. His credentials are impeccable. Thank God I did. One of the best decisions I ever made. Dr. Das came in and he met with me and talked to me, which meant a lot because I had been to some other locations and that did not happen. The day of the procedure, when I arrived, I was a little nervous. But Dr. Das came in, assured me of everything, and he was straight up forward, told me the complete truth of how it was going to happen. I got home that night and I looked in the mirror and I couldn't believe it. What a difference it made. Immediately I started feeling better. I had very little swelling, very little bruising, which was my main concern. I was just beyond myself. It almost brought tears to my eyes. It gave me my life back. I love my teeth. Everybody compliments me on them, and it's just been a wonderful experience.
The biggest change I see in him is his confidence. Smiles a lot more. He goes out, he's dating a lot more. So it makes me feel really good.
Dr. Das, he changed my life. He really did. I don't know what else to say other than I'm happy. I got my life back. I'm back in the game, baby.